ఆర్జీవి గారి గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు మీ మైండ్లో ఒక ఒపీనియన్ ఉంటుంది కదా ఆర్జీవి గారి మీద, లైక్ इफ यू मीट అంటే इफ से मिलने से पहले आपको एक ओपिनियन रहेगा.
हाँ, मैं उनके साथ डिनर पे गए नहीं, उनसे उससे पहले तो इतना ही था कि ही इज अ लेजेंड डायरेक्टर. दैट्स ऑल ओपिनियन आई हैड. नथिंग फ्रॉम द व्यूज एंड ऑल. आई बिलीव इन माय ओन ब्रेन्स इन जजिंग समवन. I don't believe in the media or in the people who talk, क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें मीडिया भी हाइप करती है. Sorry.
नहीं, even नहीं. Even RGV Garu says like about like I love women. I always think about women. I'm a womanizer. Kind of. No, stuff.
He's not a womanizer.
Kind of stuff.
But like, yeah, he loves women who are beautiful. That's what he told me also. He told me like from when I met him for a dinner also. Me, my mom and him, we went for a dinner. So you know what?
RGV Garu, he accepted to come with mom.
He told me, you guys come for dinner. He told me here, if you're bored and if you want some good food, let's go and let's talk, because about the movie we don't have time to talk right now. So he said, once you finish about all those films and all, after your film promotions, I'm busy with this right now. So he said after this we can talk. But he himself, he actually enjoyed my and my mom's company. You know, I don't know why he has that bad boy image till now, but
I think he wants to create.
I don't, maybe he's very sarcastic. Like what I understood out of him is he's very sarcastic, and he's very funny. But he appreciates talent. What the best thing about him is he's very honest towards his work. Otherwise he wouldn't have been famous just by talking or being funny, right? Your work shows you and your work creates your name there. So he's very honest with his work and he's very passionate with his work. That's what I know about him as far as now, but I've not worked with him yet. So
आप पूछे नहीं ना, मतलब इतना आपके इतना बैड इमेज है, मतलब आप ही क्रिएट करते हो ऐसा इतना बैड इमेज अबाउट द वुमेन एंड एवरीथिंग, बट यू आर सो नाइस.
No, he was not being very nice. He told me some things on my face that he didn't like. He's not being very sweet and all. He was being very honest, and I appreciate honesty. But as I said, I don't know why he has this bad boy image, but he's very honest towards his work. Yeah, that is something that has made him RGV, and that is why people are crazy behind him. That's what I have to learn from him. There's so much in his brains, that's so much talent in him that I want to, make use of it, and I think it'll be a good turning point for me also working with such a big director.
Okay. So what are you looking forward in Tollywood finally?
Tollywood, see, Telugu people have given me a lot of love. So I'm also planning to move to Hyderabad. Yeah, because so much of work and here, and I would just like to thank everyone for giving me all the love, and thank you also for interviewing me, for promoting me and accepting me. That's the important part, because I think people here have a big heart to accept girls from outside, because other industry people, they'll be like, okay, bahar se aayi hai, isko dur rakho, she's an outsider. But I never felt that here. So I think people loved me because of my talent, truly. So that is why I want to thank you also and all my viewers. So yeah, that's all I want to say.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and I wish you all the very best for your future projects.
Thank you.